Good morning, Sunday today, and I've done a couple of things last night. Namely, I have tried out a paint finish, which is basically a lacquer, Tamiya lacquer, so it's translucent, the stuff that I like, so it's not quite killing the underground, and it's just basically stippled on. I'll have to go around this a second time just in case I missed anything because it was too dark last night. I've also placed a cable hanger, and obviously I'm coming through there with the cable, probably go this above here, through there. I need a rather flexible cable. I'm thinking about using one where I cut off the outer layer of plastic and just have the steel wire, so that should work. Obviously I have two of these, one is in rather good condition, one not so. I like the scruffy finish here on that one. I do not need this wheel, I just don't get it why there is, sorry, this must be for something else. And then we go through there with one of these little set screws, and then I should have enough distance to the brake. So I've mounted a brake. Everything's nice. I obviously need to cut off the screw, which is a bit too long. Also put some red paint on here. So that's a couple of things that are going to happen. This is some decisions that have been made. So what I'll do is I flatten this with a file. I can then drill out and hopefully take off this little wheel and also this secure guidey thingy. Do not need that, so all I need is the cable guide so that I can then pull. Center pull brakes, these are called. I did my studies. What else? Yes, I'm going to finish polishing, which you have seen how that works, and I will do some lug lining with this absolutely gorgeous sparkly fingernail varnish rechecked from my daughter. Cost? Yeah, this year decided that that was unfit for purpose, so that wasn't going to be not used. This I also bought for my first daughter. It's a bicycle that needed a little bit of touch up, so let's just add 2, let's say 32. What else? No extra cost today, so brings it up to 32. I've been eBaying on a couple of super cool tires. Let's hope that I be lucky. So today's plan of action: do complete polishing, do some more stippling paint, cut off that screw, drill through here. But that all, I don't know whether I'll do some filming, maybe on this one, that should be cool. Also how I will clean this up so it looks just a little bit nicer. I don't want it fully gloss. Definitely will put these bolts in vinegar to get rid of the rust. I might find other screws. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do today in peace, off camera. I might switch you on when I do some drilling. And meanwhile, wish you a nice day. Let me walk around here. I think putting the red color, since it matches so nicely on these two areas, was the right decision. I just think it looks a little bit less fragmented than where he pulls it together. I obviously also put a tiny little bit on here so there's not too much happening. I still keep the patina as it is. I put a little bit here and there and everywhere so to prevent from too much rust. And I think that's just about a relatively believable extension of the fake patina. Tell me what you think. Tell me how much you like this or how whether you do at all.